Let's watch how to make an object moving between the hollow and solid text. Start a new project and select a video from the app. Add text box on the timeline. Increase the text box size to match the length of the video. Enter the text. Set font and size. Hide the video track. Copy the text box and paste. From the upper text box, select the stroke and set the thickness to 10. Set the color of the hollow text as white. Set the color of the main text to black. Create compound clip of the upper text box. Unhide the video clip and copy it. Place it in the middle of the two text boxes. Click Remove Background and select Auto Removal for removing the background. Removal of the background will take some time. I have skipped that portion to save time. After the background removal, click on the compound clip of the hollow text and then click Blend and select Screen. Your video is ready.